Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Samsung Q990F 11.1.4 Q-Series Soundbar with subwoofer and rear speakers. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking to build a true cinematic experience at home, one that delivers rich, immersive, theater-quality sound without the complexity of a wired setup, Samsung's flagship Q990F soundbar system is the complete package. Let's take a closer look at what makes this 2025 model a top-tier choice for audiophiles, gamers, and home cinema lovers alike. The Q990F features a massive 11.1.4 channel setup, combining 11 channels of front, side, and up-firing speakers, 1 subwoofer, and 4 overhead channels to fill your entire room with three-dimensional sound. You're not just hearing audio, you're in it. Dialogue, explosions, ambient sounds, they all come to life around you. This system supports true wireless Dolby Atmos, meaning you get stunning surround sound without the hassle of running speaker wires across your living room. The soundbar, subwoofer, and 2 rear speakers work in harmony to create an authentic 360 audio experience. And let's talk about Q-Symphony, one of Samsung's standout features. If you pair this soundbar with a compatible Samsung TV, Q-Symphony synchronizes the TV speakers with the soundbar, enhancing depth and detail while utilizing every speaker available. It's seamless and powerful, delivering a layered, cinematic soundstage. The included wireless subwoofer delivers heart-pounding bass that doesn't just shake the floor, it adds emotion to everything from action scenes to orchestral scores. Meanwhile, the up-firing rear speakers provide a vertical audio dimension that's perfect for Dolby Atmos tracks, bringing helicopters overhead or rainfall above you into sharp realism. For gamers, the Game Mode Pro is a serious upgrade. It optimizes directional sound, minimizes latency, and gives you spatial awareness that can genuinely improve gameplay. You'll hear footsteps, weapon reloads, or environmental cues exactly where they're happening, in real time. Samsung's adaptive sound also ensures that no matter what you're watching, dialogue-heavy shows, fast-paced sports, or quiet late-night scenes, the sound is automatically adjusted for clarity and balance. No more riding the volume remote between scenes. The soundbar supports HDMI eARC, allowing for uncompressed Dolby Atmos and DTS:X pass-through, while also offering multiple HDMI inputs for console, Blu-ray, and streaming box connectivity. It's plug-and-play for a modern home theater setup. Control is effortless with built-in Alexa voice assistant, Samsung SmartThings app compatibility, and one remote syncing with Samsung TVs. The system also supports AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, giving you full flexibility in how you stream and control your content. And let's not forget about the design. Samsung's Q990F is sleek, minimal, and premium-looking. The mesh grille, clean lines, and compact footprint allow it to blend in beautifully while delivering earth-shaking performance. To sum it up, the Samsung Q990F 11.1.4 soundbar system offers unmatched home audio performance for 2025. From wireless Dolby Atmos and booming bass, to gaming enhancements and smart features, this soundbar system transforms your space into a full-blown cinema. If you're serious about sound and want a premium, no-compromise audio upgrade, this is the one to beat. Click the link below for the best price on the Samsung Q990F soundbar system. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.